Hello students, we are thrilled to announce an exciting summer program we have planned for you. Summer Naturally will run all through April and aims to let you explore sustainability and conservation creatively from your homes. This year, we will be focusing on the UN SDGs 14 and 15 as well as the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Here's a quick guide on how to get started. First, note the ecosystem that corresponds to your class. Class 5 will work on forest ecosystems, Class 6 will work on oceans, Class 7 will focus on farmland ecosystems, Class 8 is assigned mountains, Class 9 will work on grasslands, and Class 10 will focus on freshwater ecosystems. Next, do your own research and explore the ecosystems assigned to your class. Think about the various components that make up your ecosystem, both living and non-living. Additionally, try to understand how ecosystems affect biodiversity and people. The next step is to identify actions that can be taken by students, by families, schools, and the community, as well as action by the governments to restore ecosystems. Class 5 students will make sure to identify the threats to their assigned ecosystems. Class 6 students will identify the indirect and direct causes that contribute to the degradation of their ecosystem. Class 7 students will focus on identifying the services that the ecosystem offers. Class 8 students will make note of the methods for sustainable use of these ecosystem services. Class 9 students will identify the parties, individuals or organizations that can contribute to restoring ecosystems. And Class 10 students will include information on the type of skills needed to restore these ecosystems.
Once the research phase is over, the third step is to present your project. This presentation should be done creatively and in a physical format. For example, you can craft it out, make a model, collage, or even use a piece of chart paper. The only condition is that you're supposed to use reusable or recyclable materials, or just those materials which are already available to you at home. Avoid purchasing new items. Once you're ready, capture 2 pictures, one of your artwork and the other of you posing with it. You'll have until April 30th to finish your project. After this step is the learning evaluation. You'll be sent a Google Form link to the evaluation. On April 28th, 10 am onwards, the link will be activated. It will have a small learning evaluation to test your understanding of sustainability following Summer Naturally. You will have until April 30th, 5 pm to submit it. This evaluation will also help us gauge your progress in understanding ecosystems and the extent to which you have made individual efforts to implement changes that can contribute to the conservation of ecosystems. To help you guys tackle this learning evaluation and gain an understanding of ecosystems and their restoration, we are sharing a couple of YouTube videos assigned to each class. You may find the class-wise video links in the description right below this video. Additionally, we have arranged mentorship sessions to enhance your learning. These videos and sessions might also give you an edge on the final learning evaluation. Following this evaluation, the winners will be selected. These winners will be awarded certificates and be given the opportunity to be featured alongside your respective project in your school's Summer Naturally Snapshots 2023. All students who complete the Summer Naturally program will receive an appreciation certificate. We can't wait to have a fun and enriching summer with you all. Thank you.